Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle, and I am here today to send out a great big thank you to the wonderful folks who put on the Big Sky Corvette meet in Helena, Montana last weekend. My son and I were traveling out there to give a keynote speech at their dinner. Had a great time. I can't tell you about how beautiful that area is. Thankfully, we were able to do a lot of things with the club. We did the rally, we did the fun run, we went and watched them do some autocrossing. And let me tell you, this group of people up there, man, they're all about having fun, and they love to use their cars. They were driving them hard, they were driving them fast. It was so much fun to really just be in the hobby instead of working on the car all day. I really enjoyed it. I'd like to throw some special thanks out to the Treasure State Corvette Club who put on this year's show, specifically the people who helped me the most, and that was Marty, Peggy, Becky, and Adele. Thank you all for making me feel so welcome out there. Some of the other clubs that were involved who I got to meet members of, the Billings Glass Reunion Club, the Fun Seekers Corvette and Yacht Club, those guys are a trip, they're a good time. Hellgate Corvette Club, Great Falls Corvette Club, and the Highlight Corvette Club. I'd like to specifically thank also Denise, I won't say her last name for privacy, but when it came time for the fun run through the beautiful hills outside of Helena, I was going to take my rental car, and she was actually kind enough to let me take her Corvette because she was riding with somebody else. So I got to drive this beautiful CRC C5 Corvette. If you've never seen a CRC C5 Corvette, that is a C5 Corvette that has been rebodied in Sprint carbon fiber body panels to look like a 62 Corvette. We owned one years ago. We had serial number 8. This was serial number 25. What a joy it was to drive that through the hills and mountains. And I just can't thank them enough. I look forward to heading out there. And I'll tell you what, guys, if you've never been to that part of the country and you like to drive, my son and I went to Glacier National Park. We went to Grand Teton National Park, Yellowstone, both west and east sides. During that entire time, I mean, we drove 2,000 miles in 5 days. We had such a blast, and I can't tell you how beautiful country it is for driving. So if you want to go out and have fun with your Corvette or any car in that area, get a hold of some of these Corvette clubs because they're super cool about giving you ideas about where to go, what to see, where to eat. They made our trip so much better than it would have been if it was just left up to me to decide what we were doing. So big thank you to all those folks. I look forward to seeing you again sometime in the near future. I look forward to getting back out to that area, and thank you, thank you, thank you.